This video is about how to delete your Instagram account permanently. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to delete your Instagram account permanently, you need to open your internet browser and in the search bar, you need to type instagram.com. Click on this login option and now log into the Instagram account that you want to delete. Click on your profiles icon. At the top left corner of your screens, you will see the settings icon. So click on it. Scroll down and go to help. Click on help center. At the top right corner of your screens, you will see these three horizontal lines. So click on it and click on this manage your account option. Then click on delete your account. Click on the second drop down that says delete your Instagram account. Scroll down and click on this delete your account option. Select the reason why you are deleting your Instagram account. Scroll down, enter your Instagram account password, and once you have entered the password, all you have to do is to click on this delete option. Click on OK, and that's it. Your Instagram account has now been deleted permanently. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.